How to send an email in ZENDESK. So first, go to your account, and then what you need to do is just click on this add at the top, then click on ticket. Now from here, you just need to add your requester. So add a user. I'll just add an example user here, test user. I'll just next is add a test name and then email. So I'll just add a test email here. Okay, now just choose a user type. So I'll just choose end user, then click on add. Okay, now after adding that, just add your assignee. So I'll just choose this one, and then add your followers if you have, and then add the tags. So I'll just add in task tag here. So as for the type, choose the type. So I'll just choose task here, and then as for the priority, so I'll just choose low. Then as for due date, so let's say I want this ticket to due on probably by tomorrow, and then just add your subject here. So just add in test subject, and then just add in test body here, and then once you're done doing all the details like that, just click on this arrow here, then click on open. Okay, now just click on refresh. Okay, now as you can see, open it. Now we've just emailed that person. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.